Welcome. We designed this website and we maintain the online services. Yes, just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Browse with ease. Our website is so user-friendly, even your grandma could navigate it. And she still uses dial-up, crystal clear design. We've kept our website clean and simple, just like the sparkling windows we deliver. Mobile magic. Book on the go. Our website is fully optimized for your smartphone or tablet. Instant info. Get all the details you need about our services, pricing, and more right at your fingertips. Secure and safe. Your personal information is protected with our top-notch security measures. Step 1. Visit our shop online at shiningwindows.co.uk/shop. Then select a service, select the details, and add the service to your shopping cart. Step 2. Visit the Book an Appointment page, select the service, select a date, select a time, and write your details in the boxes. Then check the weather for your chosen date, and then simply press Book It. Step 3. Visit the shopping cart, enter a coupon to get your discount. Check the service order descriptions and details. Agree with our terms and conditions and complete your purchase. And that's it, you have completed a basic 3-step booking service. Step 4. This is where we verify your booking and purchase details, then mark your appointment as live. Step 5. We attend and complete your service. With a smile and great deal of appreciation for your business, we will email you. Once we have completed your service, we invite you to leave a review and welcome you back to book another service at the frequency you choose. Well, that's the idea behind the business model. It's designed with customers in mind. So simply use our online service whenever you choose. In our experience, after a service has been completed, many customers tend to then return within a week to place an order for either a monthly or bi-monthly window cleaning service, which is a discounted subscription. Completed online, their payment will automatically be taken on their selected cleaning cycle. Lastly, you simply book your next appointment, as and when required. Booking bliss. Scheduling your window cleaning is easier than ordering a pizza, and almost as satisfying. Flexibility is key. Choose a date and time that suits your busy schedule. We work around you, not the other way around. No phone phobia. Book online 24/7. Even in your pajamas at 3 a.m. We won't judge. Instant confirmation. Get an immediate email confirming your purchase and booking, so you can relax knowing your windows are in good hands. Reminders that rock. We'll send you friendly reminders so you never forget about your appointment. Purchasing a service with us online is simply easy. Just like the milkman, inflated energy bills, council tax for potholes, and shopping on Amazon. Effortless transactions. Paying for your shining windows is quick, easy, and secure. We offer a variety of payment options. We accept all major debit cards and those pesky credit cards. Because we're cool like that, we also accept your hard-earned cash, UK bank transfers, and some valid gift cards. Gift cards to twice the value of a service. Why not? Upfront pricing, no hidden fees or surprises. What you see is what you get. Tailor-made services. Customize your cleaning package to suit your specific needs and yearly budget. One-click rebooking. Love our work? Schedule your next clean with a single click. Earn loyalty points. Enjoy our respect and gratitude. Rewards that shine. Earn loyalty points with every service and watch your savings grow. Redeem with a smile. Cash in your points for discounts on future cleans. It's like getting paid to have clean windows. VIP treatment. Loyalty members get exclusive access to special offers and promotions. Points for days. Earn points not just for purchases, but also for referrals. Easy tracking. Keep an eye on your points balance in your online account. Get your discounts, earned rewards, and show your loyalty. First time sparkle. Enjoy a dazzling 25% discount on your very first clean. Welcome to the Shining Windows family. Refer a friend, share the love and the shine, and get rewarded with discounts for every successful referral. Seasonal specials. Keep an eye out for our amazing seasonal discounts and promotions. Bundle and save. Combine multiple services like windows and gutters and enjoy significant savings. Early bird gets the discount. Book your clean in advance and enjoy a sweet early bird discount. Our easy appointments and online services. 3 steps to shining windows. Our booking process is so simple, it's practically child's play. No time wasted. Book your clean in under 60 seconds. Seriously, we timed it. User-friendly interface. Our booking system is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for technophobes. Multiple booking options. Book online, via email, or over the phone. The choice is yours. Stress-free scheduling. No more back-and-forth phone calls or emails. Book your clean in a few clicks and you're done. Have it your way. And your own online account. A personal window cleaning hub. Manage your bookings, track your loyalty points, and update your preferences all in one place. Booking history at a glance. See all your past and upcoming appointments in your account dashboard. Easy communication. Contact us directly through your account with any questions or concerns. Exclusive access. Account holders get access to special offers and promotions not available to the general public. Stay in the loop. Receive important updates and notifications about your account and upcoming cleans. We're a local and family business, community-focused. We're a local business, so we care about keeping our community sparkling clean. Family values. As a family-run business, we treat our customers like our own, supporting local. When you choose us, you're supporting a local business and helping our community thrive. Personalized service. We take the time to get to know our customers and their individual needs. Generations of experience. We've been in the business for years, so you can trust us to do the job right. Our pricing and transparency is exceptional. Price transparency. Our pricing is clear and upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying for. No hidden costs, no surprises or unexpected fees. We believe in honest and transparent pricing. Value for money. We offer competitive pricing and exceptional service, giving you the best bang for your buck. Detailed quotes. Get a personalized quote that outlines all the costs involved, so there are no surprises later on. Flexible payment options. We offer a variety of payment options to suit your needs and budget. Real reviews, good ones, bad ones. The non-constructive reviews. We represent everyone and listen. Real people, real results. Read what our satisfied customers have to say about our services. Social proof. See why we're the top-rated window cleaning company in the area. Build trust. Our reviews help you make an informed decision and choose the best window cleaning service for your needs. Continuous improvement. We use customer feedback to constantly improve our services and exceed your expectations. Word-of-mouth marketing. Our happy customers are our best advertisers, and so on. Blah blah, best business awards, best business sales pitches. This is a Sparta business. Do you need a cleaning service? Eco-friendly practices. We use environmentally friendly cleaning products and methods. Fully insured. We're fully insured for your peace of mind. Satisfaction guaranteed. We're so confident in our work that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Friendly and professional team. Our team is not only skilled and experienced, but also friendly and professional. More than just windows. We offer a range of exterior cleaning services, including gutters, driveways, patios, UPVC, and solar panels. Remember, a clean window is a happy window. Let shining windows bring the sparkle back to your home.